Yes, sir. So Miss Lady is preparing to make a recipe. She is in the we're doing a nutrition class, guys, and it is the Your Plate Health and Wellness program of the Treasure Coast. So we decided to do it just to see what it is about, and so she's preparing to get started right now. Yeah, she's gonna be making a recipe. Wave to the camera.
Chocolate, it helps with migraines. I'm not sure if everyone has experienced migraines before, but they are not pleasant at all. So dark chocolate really helps with migraines. So first, what we're going to do is we are going to add our liquid ingredients and then our dry ingredients, such as our cocoa powder. And then we're going to cut our avocado, we're going to cube our banana here, and then for our strawberries, we're just going to slice them, and then we're going to place them right on top of our pudding. And we'll enjoy it together, and we'll take a picture, and we'll see if we like it or not, okay? Okay, excellent. So what I will have you help me with is our milk. So we look here, so it says 1/4 milk. So we have our 2% reduced fat milk here. So we'll use 1/4.
Now you can use almond milk, because sometimes I do try the pudding and it will not mix up the right way. It will just like watery.
Yeah, clump.
But that's
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah, any type of milk. You can use soy, almond, oat, any alternative dairy options. I do personally like soy because soy has the same amount of calcium and protein as whole milk.
What about coconut milk?
Oh, you can use coconut milk. It's also going to offer that creaminess, but our avocado and our banana is going to also offer that creaminess too. So it just depends on the taste too.
Okay.
Personally, I like the reduced fat or the soy milk if I'm feeling like I don't want to consume dairy. But we'll add this. Okay. We'll take this off here. And whenever I'm pouring the milk, I like to pour it a little bit over just in case it spills. So I'll have you cover that. Alright. Okay, there we go. And depending on the mix and the thickness, we may need to add a little bit more milk, but we'll see how we do. So have you pour it in. And then what about our honey? So how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? 4.
Oh,
Really?
4.
Yeah, 4. Yeah,
I thought
it was 2. No, it's 4. Yep. So I'll have you hold that, and we'll just add our honey. Okay. Okay. And honey's going to be a really good alternative to sugar. There we go. Important that when you have an infant that you don't want to feed them honey because they haven't developed that immune system to fight against things that we can just place that over here. Does everyone know what a good benefit for cocoa powder is? Antioxidant. It helps lower your blood sugar, maintains that. It's also good for digestion and those that have diabetes. It's the coca leaf that actually has those health benefits for those that have diabetes.
Is there really a difference between cocoa and cacao?
So the cocoa comes from the cacao plant, and then how they process it. I'm not sure if you've seen videos, but they actually process it in Peru and South America, and then they ship it out to America or any any other country. But,
Which is better?
well, I don't know. I would say Peru, but oh, are you talking about? Oh, it comes from the cacao plant, cocoa, and then it turns how they process it becomes the cocoa powder. Yeah. Okay. So the recipe calls for 1/4, but I feel like it's a little bit overpowering, so we're gonna use 1/8 cup. There. And then what I'll have you do is I'll have you peel the banana and then just slice it up a little bit. And then I will show you how you normally cut an avocado like this. And then to feel that it's nice and ripe, you just peel it a little bit. I know at the grocery store they'll have, I think they have shipment around Tuesdays depending on what grocery store you're at. But when you purchase it, you want to purchase it hard and then have a couple days, 2 or 3, and then it'll be nice and squishy. Okay, so you're going to cut it like that. Place this over here. So what I like to do is I just like to cut in the middle there, and then it has a ginormous seed. So it kind of just like it. Cut it out. Twist it. And then sometimes you just kind of knife the seed to get it out. A little bit too much pressure on that. Just gonna set that down, yeah. It's a little slippery. So we'll just place this in here. But what I like to do with the avocado is I kind of like to cut it in lines. And then I like to cube it to make it easier. And then I'll just scoop it out. The garbage is a believe down here. Yeah. Okay. So then I'll just scoop it the other avocados. And I believe the recipe calls for 2 avocados. Okay, perfect. And we'll just do the same thing.
Hi, you can sign in for me real quick. Right here. We got our recipe right here.
And honey and vanilla extract. So I'm just gonna mix everything up here. Make sure it'll blend. We'll probably blend over there because I think they have a closer outlet. So we'll actually move. And if you want to braise the milk with us, we may need to add a little bit more milk. So that's going to offer our calcium, our protein, B12 is going to be in there. Our banana is going to offer that fiber and potassium. Avocado is going to be our healthy fats, also fiber. And then our honey and vanilla is going to offer flavoring. And then we have our cocoa powder, which is really good for digestion and then to maintain your blood sugar levels too. And then our strawberries, they're going to offer our vitamin C, which vitamin C actually helps with iron absorption in our gut too. And so we'll actually cut a little bit of those and then place them on top of our pudding there. So we are going to portion them out and then we'll taste it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll leave it down over here.
Okay. So I normally just like to make 3 little cuts and then 1 cut in the center to even out our strawberries. Do we have any questions so far? No? Okay.
With the strawberry.
Then we have extra.
Learn to stop it. Sugar not good, but you can taste the.
I could eat it.
You'll make it a little bit different though, right?
Less avocado.
Okay. Okay.
But I feel like if it was cool, it would be nicer. Like refrigerated, it would have been way nicer. But it's good.
What about oats? Like if you blended the oats before, so it is powdery, and then you do the whole thing again, it would be a little
It
bit
wouldn't
more
be.
hard to.
It wouldn't be smooth. You want it to mimic like regular pudding.
Everyone enjoyed the pudding so far? Good, I'm glad. So we only
I don't
used
like it.
half of the cocoa powder because I feel
You taste
like, what was it, 1/4 cup was a little bit too much. You want to substitute refined grains with your whole grains. So saying you want to look at products that say 100% whole grain, so that's going to offer the whole kernel versus refined is going to be processed and some of those vitamins and minerals are going to be displaced. Okay. And then same with our dairy, we want to choose skim or 1% low fat, and then you could top it with fruit salads, baked potatoes, and fat-free yogurt. Okay. And then our proteins, we want to offer variety. So you want to get those salmon, your fish, which is recommended twice a week. That's going to offer the omega-3s that you need. So those healthy fats for your brain function and for your joints. And then you want to pick beef, 90% lean. So you just want to offer a little bit of variety to your protein, so it doesn't always have to be animal products.
So that's it, guys, for the cooking, the food and nutrition class. Just a simple little class, and we wanted to do something different, you know. So we thought we'd check it out.
We didn't know what to expect, so it was just going in blindly.
Right. It was moderately interesting. And why I say moderately interesting? Because I realize I know a lot. Coming from the class and seeing what they're teaching, I realize I know a lot.
You could have taught the class.
I could have taught the class, and now my brain is working overtime because I'm thinking I should be doing food demonstrations more often. What do you guys say about that? Should I be doing food demonstration, travel around and do different demonstration? Oh, let me grab my seatbelt, babes. Let me grab my seatbelt.
Yep. You definitely could do some food demo and tastings. And then you put in the nutrition aspect of it too. I don't have one, man. Yeah, and do the nutrition aspect of it. Tell people what they can substitute, what is the best option, in each food group, and especially the substitutions. Because sometimes when we think about eating, we're stuck on rice. I used to be like that. The first thing you think of cooking is rice.
For real. Well, guys, that was it, and we did attend other classes afterwards. And if you want us to do food demonstration, let us know. No, we are gonna definitely try our best to accommodate you. Yardie TV, out and about, doing the best we can. Big up on yourself, manners and respect, and remember, live and laugh, cook and learn how to cook.